Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today we take the engine out of the VG wagon and get it ready to put in the VE VIP sedan. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we are making room for the barrel in the Valiant wagon. So we're pulling the 318 out and getting ready to put the barrel in, but we are putting the 318 in the VE VIP, and I do have a Hughes engine Whiplash cam kit to put in that. So this episode's going to be pulling the motor out of the car, putting the cam kit in, and then at a later date we will put that into the VE VIP at some point and get it running and driving and put the Holy Sniper EFI kit on it and everything. So this one's literally just pulling it out, put the cam kit in and get it ready to go. So this is her pre being pulled out. So disconnect electronics, radiator, cooling system, fuel lines, a few bits and bobs, and get her ready to pull out. So, little change of plan, we're actually going to take the cross member out, which will mean undoing these, one up in there, dropping the torsion bars, so that we can drop the whole K-frame, because this K-frame has a bracket mounted so that this actually fits on nicely, which I would like to keep with that engine. Plus means we can just drop it out the bottom as a complete unit, work on it while it's on the bench, and then slip it straight in the other car just like that. So get to it. Alright, so quick update. The control arms and everything are all out. Everything's all disconnected. We're literally down to last 4 bolts and pull these 2 remaining ones out of the transmission. We're going to drop it onto that. Take it all out in one piece. Just going to grab some timber or blocks or something so that it sit on the K-frame and the pan, and then drop it out. We'll be done with it. Alrighty, so engine's out. Just had to pop the trans bolt and the dipstick out and just move it around out of the road so the steering box could get through there, because it sits in here. We just had to let it come out. And the passenger side extractor had to be removed. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Only took 15 minutes. So next steps, remove the extractors, get them re-ceramic coated, and then pull all the intake and everything off. Put the cam in this, the Hughes engine's wild, what do you call it? Whiplash cam. So we'll put all that in and go from there. But that's her out of the car, ready to go in the VE. Alright, so we're getting ready to strip this down, put that cam kit in it. I've got the Hughes Engines Premium Whiplash cam kit here, which has all of the stuff in it. All the part numbers there for you to be able to see if you were to order it. Now, this comes with everything: seals, gaskets, dual rotor chain kit, cam, lifters, springs, block cover gaskets, intake manifold gaskets, the works, everything you require to be able to do this. Also the shaft lockdown collar for the oil pump dizzy drive. Now, I'm going to get to and basically rip this thing down, get it all in, but there's plenty of videos already online of what these sound like and stuff. We'll show you once it's all done. These are I think, one of the best sounding idles that you can get out of them, and they do pick up a fair bit of performance in these 318 LA engines. So anyway, we'll rip in. I'm going to start with rocker covers, intake manifold, get all the auxiliary drive off the front of the motor, get it stripped down and try and get this thing in and sorted and done and get it ready to put in the VE and hear it like sing again. It's been probably only 3 weeks since I've heard it, so it's been too long as it is. So anyway, I want to get it done and sorted in the other car and get another car on the road, because we're under the back of the VG at the moment, which is mid getting done, but just waiting on parts. I've literally got the rear end, so that's the race products 9-inch housing. On the ground over here is our diff center that literally arrived today. I'm in the process of modifying all the seats. I've got all the seats here modified, ready to go. I've got all that ready to take over to the upholsterer. He's going to reassemble that and modify a few things to be able to make it fit nicer. Just get to it. It's so many things going on between engine swap, carbonate, doing all the chassis mods, diff. Once all this is sorted and everything physically mounted, then we've got to move on to doing the Haltech Nexus R5. We've got to wire it. We've got a turbo Lamic transmission controller coming, and I've got to wire that up to the 8 HP transmission that's coming as well. There's just so much to do with this car. I just want to get another car back on the road, so we're going to hook into this, get this sorted back in the car as soon as possible and put it back on the road. Once this thing's finished, I'll pull it back off the road. We'll do the resto on it panel wise, and driveline will be already sorted, which will be nice. So one step ahead, just one step at a time. Just get to it. Next step, get rid of all this old gasket material, go through all them, get it ready to accept the new gaskets and so forth, but need to fit the new cam, all the new lifters, and then we need to change all the valve springs. So need to get the valve spring tool, compress the cylinders, change all the valve springs, both sides. Put all the timing chain kit back on and go from there. So all the valve springs are now done. I didn't use the tool, normal tool. I ended up just making my own. That one screws in there. This one goes on it, levers off it. So slip the camshaft in now. Over there, got all the lifters in soak, and I have them in for 24 hours now at least, so I'll put this all back together. What are we doing here? Playing with the boomstick, I guess. Getting ready to check it, and then lube it up. It'll come with its own assembly grease. I got mine out, but I don't need it. I came with it, which is good, so I'm just going to check it against the old one, make sure everything lines up right, everything's good. Lube it up, and then slip it in the motor. I do need to pull the dizzy out before I go put this in, so get that sorted. So front cover's all gasketed up and sealed. Just on 515, intake's just about ready to go. These are all clean. So we'll slip this front timing case cover on. I haven't got that bottom piece in because soon I'm actually going to pull the sump off this completely and reseal all the sump. Put a new front main in this as well. But yeah, we'll put them on, rock covers back on, continue on. So, little sneak peek. Sump's back on after being glued. Put all back on, rock covers are all back on, everything's taped up. And it's all painted. Nearly call it bloody kin chrome blue, but I don't say that because there's kin chrome there, but yeah, real happy with it. Should look quite nice once it's all back in the car. I only just finished painting it, so it's all still wet. So in a little bit we will unmask it all and get it ready to all go back into the VE, which is on the hoist, which you can see. So anyway, good progress. Should look quite good when it's done. There is a handful of parts here that I want to go through and quickly tidy up and paint black before putting it back on. So we'll get to that over the next couple of days. Get this donk in the bloody VE, get it back together, get it moving.
It's all the same.